Alright, y'all. It's been a while and I still haven't sold. I know this has been a crazy bear season. I'm just kind of poking my head out of the woods right now. Want to say hello to everyone. I don't know who's really like following me or whatnot anymore, but I miss you guys and I miss YouTube and all that cool crypto jazz stuff. So, I just went on Reddit and I looked at this little post, and it's interesting to me. So I thought that I would go ahead and check out this interesting little article about Bitcoin being less volatile than the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Bitcoin's been kind of like a stable coin around 20,000, right? It hasn't really dipped below there. I got the chart right here. Let's check it out. I was looking at some of the other ones I was into before, like Phantom's up like 30% the last 7 days, so I thought that was kind of cool. Of course, Dogecoin's, done some stuff. But yeah, if we look at like the 1 year chart, here's the dreaded, all the influencers were like, put your mom's house on mortgage, sell all your stuff, buy Bitcoin, it's going to 100,000. Use leverage if you can, refinance the house. I think I already said that, but it's okay because we're not doing any edits today. I'm just talking about crypto stuff. Nice and relaxed, nice and chill. So yeah, pretty much like the last 3 months, it has kind of found this like strong base, broke past 19K again, back at 20. Very recently, I think that's kind of bullish within itself. Right around here, like towards the end of October. Oh look, Bitcoin bull run coming. Everyone's bullish. Can't really like pay attention to these though. But how bad can you really do buying Bitcoin at 20K? I mean, they say there's like 4 year cycles or whatnot. And here's the last 4 years, roughly. Shot up all the way here, but yeah, I mean, pretty much in 2021, 2020, it just like skyrocketed, right? And I think this could be new support. I don't have any charts right now open that have any parameters on them because that's not really the purpose of this video. Just quickly going over the chart. So today I'm just kind of looking at some of these comments, laughing a little bit. Bum 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 bum. God, I love Reddit. Headline should qualify for the last week. Yeah, I know. Crypto has been hammered, just like this bear market. Selling pressure has disappeared. Maybe the miners capitulated. I don't have that on my 2022 bingo card because this is a complete casino. This is not financial advice. No one really knows what is going on. That's kind of funny too. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it depends what your goal is. There's like a lot of stuff right now with like the U.S. kind of taking a little cooling, a little uncertainty in the market due to the election coming up, changes in Congress, things of that nature. So we definitely have that affecting the market. All those guys saying this is the bottom, sources, trust me, bro. Yeah, we know, bro. Anyway, haven't read this article yet. I'm just gonna go through this real quick and let's see what we're doing. Alright, Bitcoin is now less volatile than S&P 500 and Nasdaq. I love when they try to compare Bitcoin to some sort of like flagship dominance to like the whole crypto market. It's such a safe bet, bro. Trust me, bro. A rare 2.2% daily loss for the US dollar index gives Bitcoin and stocks an opportunity for gains, but Bitcoin still undercuts the rest on volatility. Yeah, let's make the case that Bitcoin isn't volatile. Except when you're using 100x leverage, right? Like some of my buddies. Just 100x leverage with $10, bro. You can make $1 million real quick. So, held gains above 21K into November 5th, and the US dollar posted a rare major daily decline. Well, good thing we all just got done with our October vacations where the US dollar was super strong. I hope all y'all deserve vacations out there working so hard with this crypto stuff. Dollar dives 2% as risk assets recover. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed Bitcoin USD building on prior strength to hit highs of 21,473 on Bitstamp, a new 7 week high. The pair benefited from the latest United States economic data, while the dollar conversely suffered. The U.S. dollar index DXY lost 2% in a day for the first time in years, helping fuel a risk asset rally. Okay, cool. So, we've had the whole sort of like stock market be crashing lately. We saw that whole shift of people going into like the whole risk averse thing, like the bond market and things like General Electric, like old companies. Ford took a little bit of a run, things of that nature. A lot of the growth stocks, Tesla, Apple, things of that nature cooled off. Google cooled off a little bit. Down 30% year to date. Still a great pick in my long-term portfolio, but that's neither here nor there nor anywhere. Let's see this quote. I'm assuming we'll continue towards 22.5K from here, but have a slight correction before continuing as we took out all the liquidity. It's by the dip season. So I guess that's what the guy's crystal ball said, and his sources again, trust me bro, and a bunch of squiggly lines. It has previously become notorious for its lack of volatility and narrow trading range, helping it beat even stocks for the first time ever. Okay, yeah, it's been hanging pretty tough for like the last couple of weeks. For the first time in history, Bitcoin is less volatile than both the S&P 500 and Nasdaq. Yeah, honestly, it seemed like things in all of crypto, obviously that's led by Bitcoin, have sort of just been like going sideways for a while. That's why I feel like a lot of people have sort of been, how should I say this, just like sitting on the sidelines waiting, holding onto those same bags they had. Probably a lot of weekends have sold and gotten out, but in with the old, out with the new. Did I say that backwards? In with the new, out with the old, however that goes. The last time volatility was this low, Bitcoin rose from 9,000 to 60,000 in less than a year. Yeah, maybe this is bullish sideways traveling right now, and we could see a big jump. People slowly accumulating at this $20,000 range. The funny thing is, like, you kept hearing towards the bull run, like, when it was at 65K, at first everyone was like, yeah, like, let's let it dip, let's let it go to like 50K, like I'll buy like 5 more Bitcoins, and then if it goes to like 30, like I'll buy another Bitcoin, and then if it goes to 20K, like I'll just be putting all of my paychecks into it. Like, I don't know where all those people are right now. They're probably out there somewhere. But yeah, if you offered me a Bitcoin for 20K a few years ago, or like 1 year ago, I would have definitely taken you up on that offer. So where are all those people at now? Question. This is a, let's see, what are we doing here? Bitcoin versus S&P 500 index volatility chart. Okay, so I'm guessing here's the graph right here. The Nasdaq right here is the green line, the S&P 500 is the purple line, and then the realized volatility of the Bitcoin is the black line. So we can see this was in January of 2022. Okay, so this is a very recent article, but like this graph is from early 2022, so that's a little confusing. I don't know why it's in there. Let's see what they say about it. But yeah, earlier in the year it was definitely still more volatile. It'd be nicer to see like a chart for like the last 30 days from today, but maybe we could get to that later. Crypto was the first asset class to crash. It will be the first to rise again, he summarized. This guy, Tyler Winklevoss of the trading platform Gemini, never heard of it, to be honest. He thinks that crypto markets will be an overall market indicator for the trajectory of the overall market. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? I mean, it's definitely connected. We saw like the stock market sort of crash with like the big crypto crash. So, I mean, definitely it's like a pretty big market. I mean, you know, Bitcoin market cap is still $408 trillion. So, like, let's not count that one out, people. See, Bitcoin's relative volatility has not only decreased relative to equities, but also to major currency pairs as macro uncertainty and USD strength have increased. Foreign currency pairs have been impacted negatively, while Bitcoin has been relatively stable, the Bitcoin monthly stated. Okay. So Bitcoin's 30-day realized volatility is nearly equivalent to that of the GBP and EUR for the first time since October 2016. Although Fed hawkishness could continue its volatility, Bitcoin's strength relative to foreign currencies is an encouraging sign. So yeah, with all the Fed hawkishness, I like that word. You have to add that to the vocabulary. It's a bit superfluous, but I don't know. Let's see. Bitcoin USD, Euro USD. All right, what is this? January still. Skip that. And wow. Okay, so that's it. I'm not gonna subscribe to read the rest of the article. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's interesting. It's definitely interesting. I could see Bitcoin starting to do a little bit of some bear shit or some bullshit. Who really knows right now? Bitcoin has been hammered far more than stocks this bear market. It just looks like selling pressure has disappeared. I think that is like probably one of the top comments. But yeah, so the plan is I feel like I'm like it's been a year or so since I've posted anything, so I'm kind of like a groundhog, like poking his head out of the hole, like, hey, are we going to figure all this out, or like what's the deal here? But it feels good to be back in live from the 105 again, and I hope everyone likes this video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And we're just going to be sort of following the market real low key here. I'm not necessarily going to be in here with like crazy picks necessarily, because like, you know, a lot of people got rugged, and that was sort of like the big DeFi season. A lot of rugs happened. So I think that's going to be it for today. I guess it's noteworthy. XRP's been doing pretty well. Dogecoin's been like up 100%, like I said before, since like a couple days ago. So that was pretty cool. Everyone who's holding Dogecoin got like a nice 100% gain. Not bad gains. But anyway, yeah. Have a good rest of your night, guys, or morning, or whatever time it is in your local area, and peace out for now. Take it easy.